back up the Allen key, which is in the back. 1 and 2 should get it. Oh, that's the handle secure. It looks to have been a little bit tighter. That's better. Okay, so that's the valve changed. Now we just need to reinstate the water and check for leaks. Okay, water's now back on. Purge the air out and all looking good. Make sure it doesn't drip and that there's no water or anything coming out of the valve housing here, which there's not, so that's a valve change job done.